Hello friend, lots of new changes has been added in different products of SelectorsHub. So we'll talk about all the new updates on SelectorsHub products, what all new things we have launched, what new products has been launched, what all new innovations has been added under SelectorsHub umbrella. So here on the SelectorsHub website, you can just go to resources blog. You will always going forward, we will keep adding this like monthly updates because now we have lots of products and things. So yeah, and we'll ask you guys and request you that please subscribe to the channel so you keep getting all the latest updates, because we keep updating the YouTube channel with the more like practical examples and stuff like that. So here's the first one. Open it. So the very first update is that we have launched a new product, Testing Daily, which is available now in mobile as a mobile app, web application, and browser plugin we have already launched. So now you can install this Testing Daily, and in fact this Testing Daily is the very first mobile app which is especially developed for the testers, and it is considered like it has been considered in the like while developing this application so that you guys can get all the latest update related to testing trends, news, etc., which will help you in your uh, career, in your knowledge, and keeping yourself updated. So this is really amazing. Please do try this one. You can get it here from Testing Daily. All the download links and all the details you will get it here. We have also already created tutorial and everything. So please install it. Already like more than 2000 people on Android and iPhone already started using it. So please install it on whichever platform, whichever version you are using, and also available in the browser as a browser extension, so you can install it. Also website available, so check it out, learn more about it from here. Next update is SelectorsHub on SelectorsHub. Yeah, one more thing before I move on. In Testing Daily, lots of new feature has been added, like now you can bookmark, you can basically you can mark any article as a favorite in sign up. By default, like it will show as login. Lots of improvement has been done, customization feature has been added, Google search, and a lot more has been done here. You can search it here itself. So yeah, all those things and improvement has been done. So please do check out, learn more about it in the Testing Daily series is there in the YouTube channel, in SelectorsHub YouTube channel, so you will find all those details there. Okay, now SelectorsHub. In SelectorsHub, we have added now this system information, browser information, resolution, and the timestamp when you have opened the SelectorsHub. So earlier, like it used to happen a lot, many a times, that we want to get the system information, that which OS you are working on. OS generally we always know what is the OS version, what is the browser version on which you are working, because many times it happened we used to share the screenshot with the developer, or you are sharing the screenshot with us as well, like if you are not finding something or you are facing some issue in SelectorsHub. So in that case, this information will be very helpful for you guys. You see that a very small thing is showing here in the footer of SelectorsHub. So you see that OS version, browser version, resolution of your screen, and the timestamp when you have started. So this will be very helpful information now. So it will help a lot. You can also hide this. So we have given this option under customization. So if you don't want to see this, you can customize from the customize UI, like you can hide this system info and then it will not show you. So this is great feature which has been added in SelectorsHub. Then SelectorsHub Pro, what all new things has been done in SelectorsHub Pro. So same thing, like this information has been added in SelectorsHub Pro as well. So now when you will open SelectorsHub Pro, this information you will get it here as well, which will be helpful like time to time. And the same thing, like you can customize. If you don't want to see, you can hide it, and next time it will not show you. Apart from this, we have also upgraded the plans as well. Like most of you have asked to add the 1 month free trial for the team plan as well. So now we have added the 1 month free plan, 1 month free trial, sorry, 1 month free trial in all the plans. So you can take any plan, you get 1 month free trial. Your entire team can take a 1 month free trial, and you will not have to like pay anything. Once you satisfied, once your team says that yes, it is very helpful, it can save a lot of time, then you can then it will charge for you, or you can just cancel in one click. We have also added one new team plan, like 1 to 5 members team, because like generally like what we were having by default earlier, it was 1 to 10 members, 10 members team plan. So someone, suppose if someone has like 2 to 3 members team, 4 to 5 members team, so in that case they have to pay more. So now you need not to pay much. I mean, anyways, like SelectorsHub Pro is almost free only. It is just a meal cost per year. So it is that cheap now. So we have added this plan. So it is it will be very helpful. And of course, like this will be also 1 month with 1 month free trial. So you can check out more details about these plans. And we have deprecated the individual pro plans for SelectorsHub Pro, because we don't want any of our user to pay it from his or her pocket. We really want for you, your company should pay, not you. So because generally like when we are using pro version, it is always for enterprise or for the company. For yourself, for personal use, we have the free version, which is pretty much has everything. Pro version, it is like next level, which is helping more to save more and more time. So yeah, so in that case, like you can check out the pro versions plan here, and all the plans now have 1 month free trial, so everybody can take the pro version, and whenever you want, like before your free trials get over, you can cancel it. More details you will find it here. You can check out the pro versus free here. Also you can check out how you can get started with the pro version. So that was the SelectorsHub Pro. Then test case studio. In the test case studio also we have added the system and browser information. So like now if you will open test case studio, of course like in the UI you will not be able to see this information, but once you record it, and anything like let's say you have recorded something and you download this Excel download this test case. So in the Excel file now you will see that information about the like in the downloaded file you would be able to see this information about the OS system version and everything here. So this will be very helpful, because most of the time it happens whenever you file a bug or raise a issue, developer always asks what was the OS, what was the OS version, what was the browser version in which you were working. So you need not to go back and check into the browser that what is the browser version and all. You can directly like get this information from this XLS. So this is great feature in Test Case Studio. Then in the Test Case Studio Pro as well, we have added this system information and the browser information resolution as well. So here in Pro version Test Case Studio Pro, you get an advantage, like you get this information right there upfront. So here you see that you have this information OS in the window itself. From here, if you want to copy, you can copy it, as well as it will, like once you record the test case, when you will download it, it will, this information will get exported in the file as well. So that is Test Case Studio Pro. Then Test Case Hub. In Test Case Hub, minor bugs and issues, whatever was there, everything has been fixed now. So like if you open Test Case Hub, let me directly open testcasehub.net. So this is the URL. So here in Test Case Hub, all the issues, minor issues related to duplicate test cases and everything has been fixed now. So you can work on this. So this is this has been upgraded, and like everything, all the issues and related to login, sign up, and duplicate test cases, all those has been resolved. So you can enjoy Test Case Hub as well. I will request all of you that please contribute, please write the test cases, review others test cases. This will help a lot community to get the test cases for any particular functionality. Then next update is Meetup. We have planned 2 meetups and registrations are open for them. SelectorsHub Chennai Meetup is happening on Saturday, 4th of February in Chennai, where I will be speaking. So please do register for it if you are in Chennai or nearby. This will be, of course, almost full day event. And then we are hosting the rave test party in Ahmedabad on 11th of February. Me, Mukesh, and Naveen will be speaking in this event. Lots of its great sponsors are there from Ahmedabad. So please find all the details for both the meetups and registration links here. So if you click here, it will take you to the registration page. In this page, you will find both Ahmedabad and Chennai meetup details. So please fill these form, register for the event before they get house full and registration get closed. So please book your seat from here. So yeah, these are the all the updates from the Selectors Hub products for January 2023. Lots of new things, lots of amazing stuff is in the plan. This year is going to be great, amazing. Lots of new products are also in the plan. And yes, as always, they will be like free community products. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming updates on tools, innovations, and all the products under SelectorsHub umbrella. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like it, and share it with others to get them these updates. Thank you. Thank you so much.